Welcome to a new session of JS Networks, dear friends. Today let's see how to take a mathematical paper in an online class. In this pandemic situation, for all the classes, either the low level or the college level, whatever it may be, all are in the online mode only. All classes are in the online mode. For theory paper, it is somewhat okay to take the classes, but for mathematical paper, it is very difficult to handle. Okay, so in some cases, what we'll do is we'll write in a sheet of paper and then we'll turn the mobile camera, and then at that time, it is very difficult to see. The students cannot understand what you have written. So there's an easy way, there's a simple way. They can see the screen since you are presenting it, and it is too easy. So in my videos, I have explained, one of my videos I have explained the concept of Jamboard. Okay, so that is what again I am explaining over here, how to take a mathematical class using that. You know how to open a Google Meet, that also we have discussed previously. So just I am in a Google Meet now. Okay, students have joined, so consider like that. All are now here. So just go to present now. So you are presenting it. You know how to do that. So your entire screen, share, and after that, see here in the corner, more options are here. Okay. So in that more options, select whiteboard or open a jam. Click on that. See. Start a new whiteboard. Okay, so these are the one which we have created before. If you want to show that, or if you want to discuss on that, you can open it. Or else, suppose there is a new class, go to start a new whiteboard. Okay, so click on that. You will get a Jamboard with you. So this is a Jamboard. These are the options. Suppose you want to write something with a pen. This is a pen, this eraser, this is select, see sticky note. Everything I have discussed in the previous video, so please go through that also. And here to add an image, to add a circle, to write something, and laser type. Okay, so here suppose you want to use a pen, click on the pen. See different types of pens you can take, the colors you can take. So let it be black. Suppose you want to make a table. See, easily you can make. Okay, if you want to remove this line, undo is there. So again, draw it. See, suppose you want to write something, right here. See, 12, whatever you need. A. Okay, and suppose you want to write sigma. See how easily I can write xi is equal to. See this? Easily you can write. Okay, suppose you want to erase something, click on erase and see, you have erased that. So this is a way. And now since you are presenting, the students are able to see this screen. So it will be more clear for them. They can easily understand. When we are in the offline mode, or when we normally in the normal classes, what we do is we write in the blackboard or whiteboard, whatever it may be, you write it, and the students are directly watching it, learning it, what you are writing. Okay, same way here you are writing, and the students can directly see what you are doing. Okay, this is an easy way. Try it, and then after that, if it is over, go for presentation, stop presenting. Okay, so this is a way how a Jamboard can be used in online class for making mathematics class a simple one. Hope this is useful to you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.